nag-cook sa akin. Actually, alam mo yung quote na never forget your first manager. Kasi your first manager is the person who give you chance and who first believe in you when you have nothing. And that is Ma'am Jean too. She is the first person na niniwala sa isang 23 years old na Warren Buffett.
Iyak na yan.
Oh!
Kasi bigyan ko ng story kung paano nag-start. Kasi when Ma'am Jean got promoted into sales director, di ba nangailangan siya ng sales manager. And when I came to the picture, I am just a 23-year-old starting real estate group. And ang unang tanong niya sa akin nun, are you ready to take the position? Kasi feeling ko hindi. Meron kasi siyang mga options nun ng 6. Tama, ma'am? Like, kompleto na siya. Like, I'm the wild card. I'm the person na number 6. Kumbaga sa team ng basketball, ako yung soul. So, sabi niya sa akin, sige, kung gusto mo talagang sumali, magbenta ka. So, by that week, nagbenta ako. So, yung client na yon is a friend of my wife, Cookie Rapal. Bumili siya ng Torre de Manila. And that time, sabi niya sa akin, o sige, nakabenta ka na. Mag-create ka ng 7 na tao. So, nag-recruit ako ng tao. Alam niyo bang hindi ganun kadali ang recruitment? Alam niyo ng mga managers, tama?
Tama!
Hindi yan madali. Kasi you need to have that influence na ipa-follow ka ng tao. Kasi kung wala kayong, pag napansin nung recruit na hindi to okay, hindi naman yan sasali sa team. So, na-create ko yung 7. Ma'am, sabi ko, ready na ako. Ayan, in-accept niya. Oh, and the rest is history. Bakit sabi ng the rest is history? Kasi pinatunayan ko kay Bob na yung chance na binigay niya sa akin is hindi ko binaliwala. And yun yung nag-create sa akin ng push for the past 13 years. And Ma'am Jean, every year sa Christmas party at awarding, lagi ko itong sinasabi, thank you for giving me the chance to lead the team. You are my first manager and forever grateful whatever my career will bring. Thank you, boss.